All right, we told you about primary and secondary school students having apathy for mathematics, and adults as well also have apathy for mathematics, and in fact a whole lot of image problem with regards to this. But we will be talking to our guests who have come up with a method that has transformed how mathematics is taught in schools. Joining us now is President and founder Hen Foundation UK, Jamil Eniola. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for joining us on TVC Breakfast. So much anxiety whenever you talk about mathematics. In fact, I am Theophilus. We're talking about growing up, how we also had apathy for mathematics, and we wonder why does that happen? Is it because he said perhaps the school curriculum does not make it easy for students to develop that love for mathematics? Do you share the same view?
Yes, and then again, in every school, starting from the primary school, you always know that the most strict teacher happens to be the math teacher, and then because coming up with the, one straight formula, the science and so on and so forth, and also with this creating fear before the student that, okay, you must know how to add these figures together. Different from the English language that you can use an animation and so on and so forth, or like a biology or chemistry that you can do some demonstration in the laboratory, for people to see, So I believe that one, it has to do with the issue of creating the fears, then two, and the system for the, for the kid to be able to learn it. The process needs to be changed now that we are in the 21st century, whereby there are so many ways that the kid can be able to learn the mathematics, whether watching system or using some of the other modern technology, So, yeah.
Is there a technology that aims to make mathematics fun for young ones? Because we still see that in our school curriculums in our secondary primary schools, the same thing happens. I'm sure what we have seen growing up in school is the same thing you still see in these schools as well. Are there innovative ways where this younger generation can learn mathematics and have fun with it and just enjoy it, because it affects our everyday life?
Yeah, and that's exactly what we're doing in Hen Foundation, that we actually brought down to Nigeria another technique to inspire, to make it more simple, and also to make it like a kind of a fun, for the kids to be able to, they maybe look at it as if they are playing or they are catching fun, but it's also brushing them their level of assimilation of mathematics skill. And if you look at it very well in Asia, in North America, and in Europe, they come up with a new system to make that mathematics like a kind of a fun for some physical things for people to add together, and they are getting the result. That's why you see a country like
how much impact will this have on the child in terms of, helping the child develop that love for mathematics? I'm sure you have gotten results or feelers of how much impact this has had since you started this innovation.
And the good thing is that, one, it even make in schools, in Nigeria and other African countries, you can say that when it's time for the mathematics, you reserve it for the genius, for the bright students. They are the ones that will engage in more talking, contribution, and so forth. But with this new modern technology, everybody get involved, which means that everybody come for looking towards that. When are we going to have the math session? When are we going to have this thing? So, one of the progress is that some people that are doing poorly before
pick up quickly, fast.
They pick up quickly, and also they are part of they get involved and they contribute in class.
All right,
too.
Jamil Eniola, let's leave it here now. Thank you for your time on TVC Breakfast.
Thank you.
Well, there was a way I learned how to do the times table.
Really? I know. We'll talk about that.
You're watching TVC Breakfast. Primary and secondary school students as well as adults have one apathy for numbers.
Mathematics, in fact, has an image problem. It is often seen as difficult, a subject to be endured rather than enjoyed.
This attitude towards mathematics impacts students' achievement. there is therefore a need to transform how it is taught and learned and make it fun for learners. The math skill program is another unique technique to help pupils learn maths with ease.
It is a program that has been adopted in United Kingdom, Asia, and other parts of Europe.
Well, joining us now is the president and founder, Hen Foundation UK, Jamil Eniola. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you for having me back.
Interesting items we have here.
Yeah, so how do I solve mathematics here?
Yeah, like I said, there's a new method to make it like a fun, like a games, for you to think strategic, for you to be more innovative, and then also to get engaged. So in order to demonstrate that, so if you can see, you have one board here with you,
Yes.
having all the numbers. So what we are going to do is that we are going to plug out all these numbers.
Plug it out.
Yes, first.
Okay.
So, hold on, don't place it yet.
Okay.
Just plug it out.
All of them?
Yes, please.
All of them, okay.
Yeah.
We are going to solve. I feel like I'm in a classroom right now.
What do you call this game? Scrabble?
Yeah, looks like it, yeah.
So,
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Perhaps we wouldn't have as much time to put them all out.
So,
okay.
yeah,
So,
Done.
So after that, just taking, if I mention number that start with at the top 5.
Okay.
You can say the 5 at the top, because there is something like a
Yeah,
three
I have
numbers here.
I have a 5
You
here.
have your 5 here.
Yes.
So you can place it here
Okay.
or anywhere you like.
Anywhere I
so
like it,
anywhere
okay.
you
Yeah.
prefer. Okay.
5.
Place number 5, and then another number 5.
Another number 5.
Yeah.
Okay. Place it beside it.
Yeah.
okay.
All right.
Then another number 5.
Another one.
Another
Yeah,
5.
another 5.
Okay.
Okay. So can you try and pick number 1, please?
Number 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so how do I place them? I just place them anyhow I want it.
Yes, please.
Okay. Pick number 1.
Then another number 1.
Okay.
It's another one.
Okay.
Yeah, another number 1.
Another one.
Yes, please. Make sure that they are in line with the same shape. Okay.
With the
And
same
the-
shape.
Yeah, the same shape so that it can be. Also, number 5.
Number 5.
Okay.
Number 5 again. Another 5.
All right.
Yeah. Then another 1. Another 1.
Okay, this is a
Okay,
lecture.
so it's
So-
to rearrange the shapes.
So rearrange the shape, and then before we start the multiplication. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what are
So once you arrange again, so another 1, please.
another one.
Yeah.
Okay. Am I sure
Then
I'm getting it right? Okay.
Another. Okay. So make sure that it's been arranged properly. Then another number 9.
Number 9.
Number
yes,
9. Okay.
Yes, number 9. So I think we're nearly done. It's about 3 space remain.
3.
Are you sure?
7
I have
here.
more than 3 spaces.
1, 2,
remaining.
3, 4, 5. Okay.
Okay.
So another number 9.
Okay.
Are you on the number 9 already?
Mhm.
Did you actually pick number 9?
Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
This is a painstaking process.
Number 9?
Again.
Yeah.
Again.
Number 9? Number 9?
Another, how many 9s?
Yeah. And then number 9 again.
Okay, I think I missed a pointer, but I have 2 more.
You have 2 more.
Yes.
Okay. So you have to pick. Just pick number. What number are you going to pick now? Pick number 7.
Okay.
Which is number 9, and then another number 9.
Another number 9. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
So, yeah.
yeah.
So
how do
we
you begin to solve it?
Yeah, how do we going to solve it is that if you look at it very well, let me give you an example now. Okay. You see, the one in gray line is from my own side. The one in gray, the one in red, it come up is 3. It's number 3. Is that correct? Is it number 3 from your own hand too?
The one in red, yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
not in red. The one in red is in blue. Sorry. The one in red is, the one in pink
In pink,
is
yes.
3.
3, yes.
Is that correct?
So
the one
the
in gray.
arrangement has to be blues,
Yeah.
reds.
And the gray, because
Okay.
because they are stop 3, so the one that is arranged in 1 is gray. The one that is arranged in 9 is yellow, and the one that is arranged in 3 is pink.
Yes.
All right?
Okay.
So now, if you look at this one very well, so it's like a game. Yeah. So the one in pink, right? Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Okay, the one in blue now, count how many one in blue on the same line, which is
Number 4.
4.
3.
Yeah, so that means that 3 times 4. Well, we need a pen, so
Yeah.
we note it down.
3 times 4.
From my own angle now,
3 times
3 times 4 is 12.
12.
So,
12.
so you check from your own side too, multiply it. The one in
3
blue,
times 4.
it has to be 3. If it's 2, it's
3
0.
and 4.
4.
The same line? No,
It's
no,
not
it
the
has to
same
be-
line.
Yeah.
It's not the same line.
It has
Well,
to be.
basically, how does this help kids?
Okay, so I tell
understand
it is that,
mathematics?
yes, so once we multiply, because it's like a game, we are all together, I multiply my whole now, I know that my number from the same side, okay? I ask you to multiply from your own hand now. If
All
it
right,
wasn't
quickly.
aligned together, are you getting me? You know that is 0.
Oh,
Okay.
So you multiply your own from that angle. If your score is higher than mine, for that, you note it down.
Okay.
So we go to the same line
Okay,
again. Are you getting me on the
each
big
line,
one? Each line
Like
again.
that, giving you
Yeah.
accurate answers.
Exactly. So at the end of the day, if we now have what we call a gross number calculation, then I become a winner
Oh.
because it means that when I'm arranging this thing, you know, I'll be more strategic to
So
make sure.
at the beginning, you have to be very strategic
Yeah.
with arrangement. That is the only way you can get the correct answers right.
100%. So
Wow.
while you are picking those numbers, so when I say, because we are picking the same number, are you getting me? But you place it to make sure that that number is aligned. You know, when I say number 4, we place it on number 4. You know, for example, now, like my number 5, I'm putting it aligned with each other.
Okay.
So if you now do your own zigzag, are you
It gives
getting
you
me? By the
difference.
time you
So
want
there has to be a way of arranging it.
arranging it, you know, so initially the
All right.
most important thing is that we have to arrange in orderly. Are you getting? Once you arrange, then we start multiplication.
All
Okay, how many is in 4? Okay, 3 times 4. Are you getting me? Giving
Yeah.
out the number, which is 12. I ask you to multiply your own. You continue on. At the end of the day, we do what we
All
call
right.
a total score.
Score.
And then, you know, so
So you see, Theophilus, we still fail though.
Simple mathematics.
but I'm very sure on the next step.
Yeah.
Are you getting me? Definitely, I know
We'll get it right.
You're getting
We'll
it
get
right. Are you
But
getting
thank you
Thank
so
you.
much,
So-
Jamil Eniola, for teaching us how to use this. And I'm certain that viewers are watching. I would love to, learn a thing or two from this. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time.